Hey, to customize always on display on the POCO F6 Pro, first of all, you will have to open settings. Now you will have to move into the wallpaper and click on the always on display in the right upper corner. First of all, we can change time of the always on display, so we can get it for the 10 seconds after tapping for always, or we can set it for scheduled. So it will be automatically turned on 7 a.m. and automatically turn it off on 11 p.m. So we can decide. In my case, I'm using always, but you have to remember that this function consumes more power. When we go back, we can change theme. So if you want to set, for example, your photo as a theme, you will have to go for the custom image. And now you have to click to select image and pick something from your gallery. Now we can pinch this this photo to change size. Additionally, you can also change color of this font on the lock screen. You can also change position of the clock, so we can get it down, up, or we can actually remove it if you want. You can also turn on and off the battery and the notifications, items, and you can click apply to confirm. And now when you lock your screen, you can actually find new always on display. There we go. So we can also set this default themes if you want by selecting and clicking apply. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.